Welcome back to this part 4 video and answering that test question number 4 regarding that triangular prism. Triangular prism. Whew, we're trying to answer that test question. What is the perimeter of the largest rectangle in the triangular prism? And as you can see here, this shape is the largest shape of that rectangular prism. We have the hypotenuse of that right triangle, 5, which makes up our side length of the largest rectangle in that prism. Sides opposite of rectangles are equal to each other. That makes this also 5 meters. We have the height of that triangular prism sitting on its side of 8 meters. Again, sides opposite are equal to each other in a rectangle. So what you're going to do is add up all of those sides together. I know I may have given you a little more information than you wanted in that last video, number 3, but more is better than less. If I confused anybody, please stop, pause, rewind, and watch those videos again. It will help you out. So 5 plus 5 plus 8 plus 8. If I did my math correctly, 8 and 8 is 16. 5 and 5 is 10. 16 plus 10 is 26 meters. That is going to be the answer I put into the answer column regarding that particular problem. All right, so I'm trying not to go fast. When I go fast, I just make mistakes after mistakes. So I try to go slow, check my steps after each time. I don't know how many of you saw those whiteouts on my paper, but man, oh man, did I make a bunch of mistakes. All right, so what you want to do, if this is all new to you, is conduct an internet search on, right? You want to type in worksheets with answers on, and then fill in the blank with the topics below. They're going to help you strengthen your skills, okay? If you're new to these type of skills, then you definitely want to search for answers. You want to know if you're doing it right or doing it wrong. If you're doing it wrong, go back, check your mistake, check your work, learn from the mistake, don't do it again, and get better, better, better. You can absolutely do this. It takes time and practice. One of the things I should put on every one of these sheets is practicing your multiplying and adding integers. All right, I'll be doing that in the future. Multiplying and adding integers. All right, those are positive and negative numbers. You really need to build those skills in order to get confident in your math, right? And math is all about confidence. So again, worksheets with answers on understanding the dynamics of rectangles, squares, triangles, circles, etc. Those are the shapes that you work with in mathematics, right? You want to understand all the dynamics. For example, rectangles, opposite sides are equal, right? You want to understand that. And of course, squares, all sides are equal in a square. Finding the perimeter of different shapes. Finding the perimeter of different shapes. Finding the circumference of circles. Remember, circumference is basically the perimeter for circles. That's what it's called, circumference. Finding the perimeter of abnormal shapes, right? So some of y'all may have seen some funky looking shapes, right? Multiple rectangles, different sizes built together. Those are abnormal shapes. And the more you practice, the better you're going to get. Hey, remember, math is easy. Just take it step by step. If I've helped you, please help me to help others. Please follow, like, share, subscribe. Math is easy. Thank you for joining me. Take it step by step.